Welcome to this explainer. I'm absolutely thrilled you're here. Today, we're going to craft the most beautifully warm, comforting morning meal. And honestly, here's the best part. Even if you're a total beginner in the kitchen, like literally if your culinary peak is pouring dry cereal out of a cardboard box, you are going to master this. We're talking about Golden Honey Sunrise Oats. It's a recipe that's incredibly forgiving, deeply satisfying, and custom designed to start your day off right.
So let me ask you a quick question. Do you want a warmer, cozier start to your day? Look, we all know exactly how chaotic that morning rush can be, right? It usually involves a frantic search for your keys while downing yesterday's cold coffee. But taking just a few intentional minutes at the stove, that can literally shift your entire mindset. It's all about carving out a tiny moment of comfort before you face the world, using super simple techniques that absolutely anyone can nail.
That brings us to our ultimate goal today. We are creating a bowl where honey brings this incredible sweetness, aroma, and a beautiful richness right to the center of your plate. This isn't just any boring old breakfast, you guys. We're putting together a simple, deeply satisfying bowl that's going to leave you feeling like a total pro in the kitchen and honestly, genuinely excited about breakfast again. It's all about letting those natural, beautiful flavors totally shine through with minimal effort from you.
Now, if you're sitting there worried about needing some special trip to a fancy gourmet grocery store, just take a deep breath. You probably have these exact ingredients sitting in your kitchen right now. No need to stress over complicated shopping lists or weird, hard-to-find items. The entire foundation of this recipe relies on cozy, accessible pantry staples that just work together in absolute perfect harmony.
Okay, let's dive right into our base. To get started, you just need 3 foundational elements. First up, 1 cup of hearty rolled oats. These are going to give us that perfect, comforting, chewy texture. Second, 2 cups of your preferred liquid. You can use standard dairy milk or, hey, if you prefer a plant-based vibe, unsweetened oat milk is fantastic here. And third, the absolute star of our show, 2 tablespoons of wildflower honey. That right there is the magic trifecta for our perfect breakfast bowl.
Once you've got your base sorted, we need to build up that incredible, cozy comfort food aroma. For this, you just need a handful of flavor enhancers. Grab 1 tablespoon of butter or coconut oil if that's more your thing, which gives it this luxurious mouthfeel. Then, half a teaspoon of warming cinnamon. We also need a pinch of sea salt. And listen, here's a major pro tip for you. Never, ever skip the salt in oatmeal. It is the absolute key to balancing out the sweetness. Finally, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract to round out that rich, bakery-like smell.
Finally, to crown your morning masterpiece, you're going to want some fresh fruit and a little bit of crunch. Fresh berries or a sliced banana are absolutely perfect here. They add these bright, natural pops of flavor that cut right through the richness. And, totally optional, but if you want a deeply satisfying textural contrast, chopped walnuts or pumpkin seeds are phenomenal. These toppings don't just make the bowl look like $1,000,000, they add a wonderful surprise to every single bite.
All right, you've got your ingredients gathered, and I promise you, you've totally got this. Let's get cooking. We're going to walk through the actual cooking process at a nice, relaxed, morning-friendly pace. Simmering oats is incredibly forgiving, it's super easy, and it is 100% stress-free. There's no tricky chef-level technique to master here. You're literally just combining ingredients and letting gentle heat do all the heavy lifting for you. So here is exactly how we begin. Simply grab a saucepan and toss in your dry rolled oats, your milk, the cinnamon, and that all-important pinch of sea salt. Give it a quick little mix, then pop that saucepan on your stove and bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Now notice I said gentle simmer. We are definitely not boiling this vigorously. We just want to see those small, lazy bubbles just starting to break the surface of the milk.
This is where the real transformation happens right before your eyes. By stirring frequently for about 5 to 7 minutes, those oats are going to absorb the liquid and release their starches, becoming incredibly thick and beautifully creamy. Once you hit that perfect velvety texture, this next part is absolutely crucial. Take the saucepan completely off the heat. It is only off the heat that you stir in your butter, your vanilla extract, and, pay super close attention here, only 1 tablespoon of your honey.
And just like that, the cooking is done. This final phase is all about presentation and, well, rewarding yourself. Pour that warm, creamy goodness right into your favorite bowl and grab that second remaining tablespoon of honey. You're going to drizzle that generously right over the top. To finish it off, beautifully arrange your fresh berries, lay down those banana slices, and scatter your nuts or seeds if you're using them. You've literally just built a spectacular restaurant-quality breakfast in less than 10 minutes.
So let's take a quick second to talk about why we specifically chose honey and why it's the true hero of this dish. Honey sweetens naturally while adding this amazing floral depth. It offers so much more than just basic one-dimensional sweetness, you know? While regular white sugar basically just adds a sweet flavor, honey brings an entire aromatic profile to your bowl. It's like the glue that perfectly connects the earthy oats, the warming cinnamon, and the bright, fresh fruit.
And that actually brings us to a major culinary secret, our pro tip for the day. This is exactly why we saved that second tablespoon of honey for the very end. Drizzling honey at the end preserves its delicate aroma and flavor. If we had boiled all the honey right along with the milk and oats on the hot stove, that high heat would have literally destroyed those beautiful, delicate floral notes. By adding it off the heat and right on top as a garnish, you get the absolute maximum sensory impact. It's a total game changer.
What's really cool is how you can completely customize your entire breakfast experience just by swapping out the type of honey you use. For instance, if you use a classic clover honey, your bowl is going to be super light and mellow. But swap that out for a buckwheat honey, suddenly the entire dish becomes rich, deep, and earthy. Or if you try orange blossom honey, your morning oats kick on this bright, gorgeous, citrusy profile. It's the exact same easy cooking method, but you get entirely different, exciting results based on just that one single ingredient.
Now that we've mastered the perfect base, let's think about the rest of your day. Maybe you have a super tough workout planned, or just a really long morning stuck at the office. So, want extra fuel for your morning? Let's add some simple protein. If you want to make absolutely sure this comforting bowl keeps you full and energized well past 10 a.m., I have 2 incredibly easy, zero-stress upgrades for you that seamlessly integrate into the recipe we just learned.
Here are 2 fantastic options to give your oats that extra protein boost. Your first option is to easily bump up the staying power by stirring in 2 tablespoons of creamy Greek yogurt right at the very end, again, off the heat, right when you're adding your butter and vanilla. This gives it a really lovely tanginess. Or, your second option, you can simply drop a big, rich spoonful of almond butter right on top of the bowl before serving. Both of these are completely beginner-friendly and add some fantastic nutritional value.
Well, look at that. We've covered the simple pantry ingredients, the totally stress-free simmering technique, the science of why we add honey at the end, and even some protein-packed upgrades. I genuinely hope this explainer leaves you feeling confident, prepared, and deeply inspired to get into the kitchen tomorrow morning. You are entirely ready to make a beautiful, warm bowl of golden honey sunrise oats. So the only question left for you to answer is, which honey are you going to choose for your sunrise?